Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I got something new and super exciting here. I have Nomad's brand new base station wireless charging stand. Now this will work with your iOS or your Android device, and it even has 10 watts fast charging. Now this is leather and aluminum, and it's absolutely spectacular. So I'm so excited that I have it. I can't wait to get into it. Now for me, it's gonna be perfect because I'm at my desk a lot here and always editing or whatever on the computer, and I can just go ahead and sit my phone up. It'll be charging and I could just glance at it. The way I have it now when I'm on my phone, you know, it's not as great. It's just there, and every time I get a notification, I gotta look all the way over or pick up the phone. It'll be nice to just have it set up next to my desk and I could just see it. So yeah, really excited to get into this. Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna unbox this, get into it, and check it out. And you wanna know where I got it? Well, of course, the one and only, Nomad. Their website's right there on the screen. Hello, Nomad. You already know that. Come on, you guys. All right, laters. All right, let's go ahead and open it up here. Got my trusty box cutter. Presentation is everything. It's one thing I really enjoy about Nomad products is the way they package everything. Like, look at how cool just the inside there looks. I'll bring it in a little closer so you can see. All right, so right here is our AC adapter. We'll go ahead and plug that in the wall. And this is our braided USB-C cable. Wow, it's a good quality cable, right? And here is the device itself. Now let me bring this in a little closer so you can see. Okay, so here it is. Now this is padded leather right here, and this down below where your phone would sit on. It's like a nice, smooth, solid rubber, well built. This is aluminum, and yeah, keep your phone from sliding. Okay, now on the back, we have where we plug in the USB-C cable, 18 watts, so that's an 18 watt power brick going into here. And that's probably why we are getting 10 watts of wireless charging with this device. Yeah, and right here, I believe that's the sensor for daytime, nighttime. So in the front right here is the LED indicating when it's charging, but thanks to the sensor in the back, if it detects it's nighttime, the light won't be as bright, so it won't be annoying to you. So very well thought out. So here it is right here. It's even got rubber on the base of this, so it won't slide or anything like that. It'll be stationary where you have it positioned. All right, let's go ahead and put my phone on there, and let's go ahead and grab my AirPods. The Nomad Base Station Stand Wireless Charger. Designed to complement a modern home or office, the base station stand offers maximum flexibility in a minimalistic package. It's got versatile charging. The base station stand charges phones whether it's vertically or horizontally. AirPods with wireless charging case. Also, devices are held upright during charging, so your screen is easily visible. Now this is made out of premium materials. Precision molded aluminum body, padded leather charging surface, and rubber foot for no slip grip. The LED charging indicator with ambient light sensor in the back will automatically dim in low light. And this is powered via USB-C, powered by an included 18 watt AC power adapter and a premium 2-meter USB-C cable, compatible with lower wattage AC adapters at slower charging speeds. Okay, let's go ahead and place my phone there. See how it looks. Nice. Now we're rocking and rolling and it's charging. Everything looking good there. Now let me grab my AirPods Pro. Now I believe I need to put them in that orientation. There you go, as you could see it lit up and it's now charging. And if you're ever unsure if it's charging, you could always see at the LED at the very, very bottom of the screen there is lit up. It's also green on my case, but it now went away. Yeah. I believe the case for the AirPods Pro that I have here is a little shorter, so doing this orientation, turning it vertical, it now charges just fine. And if I'm not mistaken, you can do the same thing for your phone. If you want it in landscape, you can go ahead and put it that way. And as you can see, it is charging just fine. So yeah, you guys see the website right there on the screen. I love Nomad stuff. I'm a Nomad guy. I have all their products here in my house. And I've even been giving some to family and friends as far as gifts. I like their build quality, and it seems the way it's engineered and just built, they actually take the time and think about their products, and they're very well made and aesthetically pleasing. Like, they're beautiful. But yeah, guys, that's it. All right, laters.